Hello everyone, and welcome to Crypto Cash Media. Let's get right to it. The truth of the Shiba Inu coin reaching $1 in a short period of time is exposed step by step today. If you're not sure how high the Shiba Inu price can go, you are not alone. But we know that Shiba will most likely reach $1 at some point in the future, but we are unsure how this will be accomplished. You will find out today whether it is feasible for Shiba Inu to achieve $1. How far does it go before it becomes unreal? Making money by investing in tokens has been a reality in recent years, with a lot of people becoming millionaires because of their investment in tokens with incredible potential to appreciate in value. If you love this kind of content about investing in Shiba Inu, consider subscribing to Crypto Cash Media. And Shiba Army, comment #ShibaArmyBello. The Shiba Inu is one of the fastest growing coins and the community is supporting the project. Lots of people entered the crypto investment thanks to Shiba Inu, and now there are people who are holding millions or billions, and big whales are holding trillions of Shiba Inu, hoping one day the coin will reach at least 10 cents. But the big question is, when will it be possible for Shiba to reach $1? So, in understanding it, you must first understand the points at which the coin hits large numbers. There are a variety of reasons that contribute to the coin's high popularity. The coin project is of the utmost significance. If the currency has a strong project, it is likely to achieve significant success. However, if the initiative does not contain innovative concepts, it will not be successful. The second aspect that impacts the coin's ability to reach large numbers is its widespread acceptance. When a coin gets so popular, many people tend to invest in the coin, and they leave, the trading volume increases and the coin's credibility increases. As a result, the global coin market cap is made up of thousands of coins. Right now, the global crypto market cap is $2.1 trillion. This number indicates the coin's growth potential. All cryptocurrencies are considered as a group. It contains cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and others. Right now, it is important to note that this figure is not static and changes significantly every hour. Bitcoin now has a market share of more than 46%, making it the most dominant cryptocurrency. The price of Bitcoin is $47,584, and a few weeks ago the price was at $40,000. So we also know that Bitcoin is the main coin and the first created coin on cryptocurrencies. So to understand the Shiba Inu potential reach, you need to first understand Bitcoin's growth and how it can influence the Shiba Inu growth. The Bitcoin mission is to reach $1 million, and the Shiba Inu's new mission is to reach $1. Bitcoin will eventually reach a value of $1 million per coin. CoinDesk Learn's editor All Each said, "I genuinely believe it will at some point because the scarcity component alone makes it an incredibly fascinating asset to possess." Bitcoin is unrivaled. As for when Bitcoin will reach $1 million, some analysts predict that it will happen in 2024 when a big technical event occurs. Such an event is nearly guaranteed to cause a significant price increase. Ali Leach observed that the year after having always results in a significant increase in value. That is exactly what we are witnessing right now. Bitcoin's most recent occurrence happened in 2020, and its price has increased substantially this year. I'm not sure when Bitcoin will reach $1 million, but it will most likely be beyond 2025. Crypto is also gaining traction in the payment arena, with MASTERCARD, PayPal, and Visa growing their crypto exposure in recent months, as a result of client demand. Wall Street is experimenting with digital assets. Recent MasterCard research found that 40% of Americans intend to use cryptocurrencies in the future year. This significant rise in the value of Bitcoin to $1 million may be used to explain the possibilities of cryptocurrencies. So some different events may happen to Shiba Inu before it reaches $1. And the big event is happening right now. I'm talking about Shiba Swap. Shiba Inu is testing right now its own exchange called Shiba Swap, and it will be one of the main platforms to buy and sell Shiba Inu tokens like Binance. Shiba Swap can have more success and push the price of the Shiba Inu token. An important event that must take place in order for the price of Shiba Inu to rise significantly is the burning of tokens. Burning tokens can help Shiba Inu coins reach $1 fast. To answer this question, first you will need to understand what is coin burning in the crypto world. In the world of cryptocurrencies, burning a token involves removing it from circulation on purpose, typically by sending it to a cryptocurrency wallet, to which no one has access. Burning a high number of cryptocurrency tokens can have the effect of increasing the token scarcity. When Ryoshi created Shiba Inu, there were over 1 quadrillion tokens, and they sent 50% to Vitalik Buterin, or well known as the Ethereum Cant founder. He burned 90% of the tokens and gave the remaining 10% in cash to India's disaster relief efforts and a charitable organization. That implies that the remaining tokens should total 500 trillion. However, in recent months, some tokens have been burned, resulting in a confirmed total of 394,796 billion tokens. That indicates that if the price of Shiba Inu reaches $1 today, the market capitalization would be over $394,796 billion. So it's impossible for Shiba Inu to reach $1 with this number of tokens. To make it possible, the global market cap will need to increase 200 plus times or worth $300 trillion, but there is any chance for Shiba Inu to reach $1 fast. Let's analyze possible cases for Shiba Inu right now. In the first scenario, the current value of each token is $0.000008. The current market capitalization is $3,231,471,596. However, I will take $3 billion US. Consideration the volatility of the market now. Considering the worth of each token and the current market value, I've calculated some estimates. As a result, can obtain a Shiba Inu for $0.00001. The market worth should be $3.75 billion US, according to estimates. This situation is quite likely to occur without the need for hard labor or the burning of tokens. Now, let's see the second scenario, the value of each token to $0.0001. The market cap will be at $37.5 billion. This is the current market capitalization of Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu will be competing for the same position as Dogecoin. Furthermore, the global market capitalization will not be forced to rise by an impossibly large amount. It will be necessary to boost the market capitalization by $33.5 billion, which is the amount that the whole world market capitalization swings in every 5 hours. As a result, the second scenario is a distinct possibility. Let's see the third scenario. Remember that we are always skipping one decimal place until we reach $1. Third scenario, the value of each token to $0.001. The market cap will be at $375 billion. This is the type of scenario that many people are looking for. In order to achieve this level of market capitalization, the Shiba Inu will need to have a minimum market value of $375 billion. And in this situation, the Shiba Inu will outperform Ethereum in terms of value. As we all know, Shiba Inus are extremely sophisticated creatures, and we also know that Ethereum has a total available quantity of 116,578 coins and a market capitalization of $405,744,430,029. So, in this scenario, the Shiba Inu token would overtake Cardano III, most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, and while this scenario is unlikely to occur, we cannot rule it out completely. Now let's see the fourth scenario, the value of each token at 1 cent. The market cap will be at $3.75 trillion. This is the world's dream scenario, and lots of Shiba Inu holders will become millionaires, and some people who have invested millions can reach billions with the scenario. As an example of what would happen, if Shiba Inu achieves this scenario, the coin's market valuation will be 6 times more than that of Bitcoin. It is extremely difficult for this to happen. I'm talking about it being impossible to happen. Now, let's take a look at the fifth situation, in which the value of each token is 1 cent. The market capitalization will be $37.5 trillion at the time. This is the ideal circumstance, and there are many people that have 10 billion Shiba. Shiba Inu can make billionaires, and everyone who invests in Shiba Inu right now has the potential to become a millionaire. So this is impossible to happen, and for Shiba Inu to achieve this numbers will need to surpass the United States gross domestic product. And we know that the United States is the greatest power in the world. So this scenario is catastrophic, for it is very impossible to happen. Now let's take a look at the sixth scenario, in which the value of each token is $1. The market capitalization will be $375 trillion, and in this scenario, I believe that every Shiba Inu owner will become a billionaire, with a large number of trillionaires in the vicinity. This scenario is improbable since it will be 4 times the global gross domestic product, making it virtually impossible. Even if all of the money in the world flows to Shiba Inu, the situation remains the same. This is completely impossible to happen. So the possible thing to happen for Shiba Inu is the first scenario and the second, but it can be very difficult to happen the third. So, you might be wondering why the Shiba Inu can't make it to $1. If you want to know the solution, it is not feasible for Shiba Inu to achieve $1. So, right now, I'll explain to you how something like this might happen. Token burning will be the most efficient method of getting Shiba to $1 in the next month. So perhaps you should inquire within yourself. How many tokens do we need to burn in order to make it happen? The fastest answer is about 95% of the remaining tokens, and the first phase they need to burn 100% of the unsold tokens. And in the second phase, they will need to burn the tokens that are in circulation using an automatic burn method for every transaction made. Another good example of currency burning is Stellar. So Shiba Inu needs to have billions of coins, not trillions, and there is an ongoing project about burning Shiba tokens. The Shiba developers are working on a method to push the price of the token to $1 before 2025. So with that said, that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope that you find this video informative and valuable. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up so we can spread the awareness of the Shiba Inu token to more investors to make more gains. And if you like what you are seeing, then make sure to subscribe to Crypto Cash Media and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with all my content. Thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully see you next time.